helping other people makes you happy too. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing my makeup really quick and just kind of, you know, doing a quick get ready with me. If you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is how I try and turn around a day where I'm not feeling my best on. I feel like having off days is absolutely normal for anybody, and for me this morning, I just woke up and I didn't feel my best self. I've been sick for the last week. The weather outside is gloomy, cold, and rainy. I just woke up not feeling my best, which is honestly completely fine because I totally acknowledge that I just wasn't in the best mood when I woke up this morning. Instead of trying to dwell on why I wasn't feeling the best, I was like, let's try and turn this day around. I feel like when you don't have the best days, one of the best things to do is to just think about what your favorite things to do are, things that make you happy, and small things you can do that can turn around your mood. I'm going to put on some makeup, try and go for that look good, feel good mentality. So that's one small thing that I'm trying to do this morning. I heard this from a really good podcast that I recommend anyone listening to. I used to listen to this all the time when I was commuting in the morning, but it's called The Mindset Mentor, and it's just a super motivational podcast, and I think it's a great way to honestly start your day. I haven't been listening to it as much, but I used to listen to it all the time, and one thing that it taught me is that it's really hard to feel any negative emotion or feel anything else when you were just trying to feel grateful. I'm grateful for my health, my family, my amazing friends, boyfriend, you guys. I was just like, I have so much to be grateful for in the grand scheme of things. And this already made me feel 10 times better. So then what I decided to do is get out of bed, go downstairs, make myself a cup of coffee, just watch my favorite YouTube videos, went for a quick walk, and just did a couple of small things that I know would make me feel better and happier. If you're like me and you have anxiety, your feelings are valid. Some days are better than others. Do things to help yourself to feel better, and obviously that's easier said than done, but I think if you try and make small little efforts to make yourself feel better, you can find that your day will turn around a lot. That's what we're trying today. I made a TikTok recently, not because I thought the sound was the happiest, but because I feel like it would resonate with a lot of people. But Emma Chamberlain is just talking about how some days it's really hard to like look at yourself when you're not feeling your best, and then just completely change your mindset when you feel like you look like shit and that's just how you're feeling. So I don't know, I thought I would just get ready this morning. I feel like on days that I look better, I tend to feel a bit better. There are things you can do to try and make yourself feel better. So just trying to know what those things are can be really important. What comforts you, what makes you feel happy. For me, that is taking care of myself, watching something that's happy on TV, watching something that motivates me. Maybe it's reading for the day. Know these kinds of things about yourself and things that you can do to not necessarily change your complete mindset on things, but, you know, help it or try and mitigate the stress or worry that you're putting on yourself. I just want you guys to know that it's okay to have off days sometimes, but we just gotta do what we can to try and make, you know, not a great day into a good day. You're gonna be more grateful when you go to bed at night for knowing that you did everything you could to try and turn the day around. When we're done this, we're gonna go do something else that's gonna make us feel better, which we haven't done in a while. Something that I've been trying really hard in 2022 is to not spend as much money eating out and on coffee, but I haven't bought a coffee for myself, I think in like 3 or 4 weeks. So I was like, today seems like a good reason to go out and treat myself to a coffee. I also have never done my hair like this before. And the only reason I was motivated to do it this morning is because it was greasy, and I was like, you know what, I have to shower this evening. Something else I'm gonna try and do later on is, you know, get a quick workout in. It usually makes me feel better. And by workout, I don't mean like full high intense workout. I mean like, depending how I'm feeling later, maybe I'll just go for like a walk on the treadmill or stretch or something, like just a little bit of movement. Okay guys, so we are ready. I feel like talking about this kind of stuff and making these kind of vlogs is really important to me because social media in itself is literally a highlight reel. I feel like I share a lot of really good stuff with you guys. That's what it is. Like, I honestly, like, if I think about it, I share the best parts of my life or try to share like super happy moments and everything with you guys, but I don't tend to share days like today, which is why I'm sharing a day like today. Anyways, we are going to go drop my sister off at work and try to make this not the best day ever, but still a good day.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Hi there, could I please get a grande ice shake and espresso?
All right, anything else for you?
That's everything.
All right, it'll be $4.80 at the window.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Thanks, $4.80. Thank you.
Can I pay for the person behind me, please?
Yeah. This is just $3.41.
Perfect.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You want a receipt for either of those?
No, that's okay.
Is there anything you want me to tell them at all?
Have a great day.
Okay, cool. All right, this is for you.
Cheers.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Sometimes, guys, helping other people makes you happy too. Okay guys, we are back home. We got Starbucks. I have not had takeout coffee in so long, even though I love it. I've pretty much been making my coffee at home for like the last 3 months. I think the last time I got a coffee was probably like over a month ago, but here we are. My favorite, a grande shaken espresso. So good. Like, this is something small, but it makes me happy. Also, you know, buying that lady's coffee in the drive-thru after, because she was talking to the barista for a while afterwards, and I didn't have a message prepared. I was just like, have a great day. I probably should have said something like, be kind, spread kindness. I'll think of that next time that I do that, but even like doing something small like that definitely made me already feel better. I also started blasting some Disney tunes when I was in the car. I feel like playing like super upbeat, happy music when you are driving is another small thing you can do, you know, your favorite songs or whatnot. Now we're going to go inside. I have some packages, so I think I might open some of them for you guys. Okay, we are back in, and I recently got some packages here, just some stuff that I've kind of ordered over the last couple of weeks. If you guys know, I'm leaving for Hawaii in like a week and a half, so I've slowly been trying to get some stuff for it, but I'm just going to open these for you here. I actually think there's another package that might be here any minute, but we are going to open what I have here. The first one here is from Amazon. And yay, okay, I'm so happy this came. The first thing I got is a Moco phone bag or like phone case thing. Basically, I got this because when I'm in Hawaii, I want to make sure that I can take really good videos or photos just while we were out in the ocean. So this is pretty much a waterproof bag, and you can put your phone into it. It's got a strap, so you can strap it onto your arm, and then it also has like a little wristband here so I can hook it to myself. You just take your phone, drop it in, you can seal it, and then I'll be able to take photos and use it in Hawaii. I'm super excited. I'm really happy that I got this. This was pretty affordable too. I think this case was like $12 or $13. So that's part of package one. Next, we have some stuff from Sephora. Sephora was having a pretty big sale recently. I haven't bought a lot of stuff in Sephora in a while, but I had a 20% off coupon code and free shipping. So I was like, maybe I'll take a look and treat myself. So the first thing I got is, I have been using the Stila Kitten eyeshadow since, I don't know, probably like 4 or 5 years. And I don't think they sell it anymore, or if they do, they only sell it in their liquid version. And I like to wear like super light eyeshadow, at least in like the front half of my eye. I was trying to find another dupe or another eyeshadow, and I found this one. It's the Sephora collection, and it's in the color Milky Way. It was also $11. I think like 9 something with 20% off. So I'm gonna try and open this. Ooh. Let's do a test. Okay, yeah, it's a really pretty color. This is amazing.
I'm like trying it on as we speak, barely seeing what I'm doing. Oh my god, it's so nice. It is a tiny eyeshadow, but I'm really impressed with it right now. We also got a new brush. I have had the same makeup brushes since probably like grade 9 or grade 10. Maybe it's just because I clean them often and try and take good care of them, but I feel like I've never needed to get like a new contour or kabuki or fan brush because any of the brushes I've had lasted so long. I saw this one and it's a mini version of their foundation brush. I think this one was $27, so we're gonna see. I could use to blend like contour and like my blush out. Let's see, this is my favorite part. Ooh. This brush is a little smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but my main thought is like I want to be able to blend in really well around my forehead, especially because I want to start cream contouring, so that's what I got this for. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this one. That was my mini haul. Some other stuff might be coming in this afternoon, so if it does, I will show you guys what I got, but I'm gonna go let my dog out. The sun's coming out. It's already a better day now that the sky is blue. It's a bit later now and I just got back from going on a walk and the rest of my packages were on the doorstep, so I'm going to open them for you guys now. So this package, actually Char ordered this for me. I've had this stuff in my Amazon cart for the last couple of days, and Char just was a sweetie one day and just ordered it and got it for me. But when you guys see what it is, it's pretty funny. So the first thing is a can of the spicy Thai chicken soup from Tim Hortons. I don't know if you guys remember, but they used to have a spicy Thai soup at Tim's like 3 years ago, 2019 I think is when they had it, and I love soup. Soup is one of my comfort foods, and I used to get this soup all the time, like studying for exams and everything, and they stopped making it. I guess they just discontinued it, and I didn't know you could get canned versions of it, so I really wanted to try a can, and I got one, so I'm so happy. Thank you, Char, for my soup. The other thing that I got, actually I'm gonna go get it so this makes sense. The other thing that is in this package is I recently just found my iPad. We got this as like a family iPad back in 2015. I don't know what happened to it, but the other day we just found it and I was like, oh, it still works. So I basically reset it, cleared it all, connected it to my iCloud and everything, and I needed to get a case for it. I'm thinking that I might bring this with me to Hawaii instead of just bringing my laptop with me, just in case, because I don't want to risk losing my laptop, but I'm still going to think about it. But I was like, oh, maybe it'd be fun if I brought the iPad. So then when I was looking at cases, there was an option to get a case with a Bluetooth keyboard. That way the iPad can kind of work like a laptop. So we got this case. It's an Art Tech case. I think it was $20. This is the other thing that Char got me that was in my my cart. This is super sweet of him. Like, even like this is just something that has made my day so much better. That's because he thought about doing something kind for me. I'm gonna go try and play with this. I'll let you guys know if it works. Guys, this is so cute. Ah, there I am. This is an iPad mini generation 1, guys. So it's pretty old. It's pretty slow, but it actually is working pretty well. And this is the last package, and this is pretty small, guys. I wanted to try to learn how to cream contour. Cream contour is usually like $30 to $40 at Sephora, so I kind of wanted to get a cheaper one just to see if I like using it before I actually commit and buy one. So I got this little contour stick. It's by Wet n Wild, and it was like $7. This is it. So that is all of my packages for right now. I'm gonna go try and set up the iPad. Okay guys, it is 8:45 right now, and I am doing my final step or thing of the day to try and make myself
feel good, and that is self-care. I feel like self-care can be just, you know, taking time for yourself or anything for you that you just do that makes you feel at peace and calm. That is my final step for today. I'm doing a face mask right now. I'm gonna go for a hot shower, and then I'm just going to go to bed because tomorrow's a new day. I do want to say that my mood from this morning is way better now. Today actually ended up being like a pretty good day. I was really productive. I just posted a vlog for you guys right now. Everybody has bad days. Having bad days is completely normal. It's just what you choose to do with it and how you try to make the most of it. So anyways, that's gonna be everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in tomorrow's video.